Indian history. Today's topic is related to freedom movement of India and Free India. Number 1. In which place first round table conference was arranged? Answer is London. Number 2. Who was the Prime Minister of Britain when India got freedom? Answer is Clement Attlee. Number 3. Who was the King or Queen of Great Britain when India got freedom? Answer is George VI. Number 4. In which place second session of Indian National Congress was held? Answer is Kolkata. Number 5. The song Vande Mataram was included in a book written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Number 6. Who said Swaraj is my birthright? Answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Number 7. English daily Vande Mataram was edited by Aurobindo Ghosh. Number 8. The freedom fighter of India executed at first was Khudiram Bose. Number 9. Who was the Governor General of India when Bengal was partitioned at first? Lord Curzon. Number 10. The editor of Journal Keshari was? The answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. In which year Rowlatt Act was introduced in British India? Answer is 1919. Number 12. Ganapati and Shivaji Festival of Maharashtra was revived by? Answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Number 13. New India, the English weekly, was published by? The answer is Annie Besant. Number 14. Who was the founder of Kolkata National Medical College? The answer is Dr. Sundari Mohan Das. Number 15. Tattvabadhini Sabha was founded by? Debendranath Tagore. Number 16. Aligarh Anglo-Oriental College was founded by? Answer is Syed Ahmed Khan. Number 17. The Banaras Hindi University was established by? The answer is Madan Mohan Malabya. Number 18. Who was the political guru of Gandhiji? Answer is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Number 19. In which year Gandhiji Arvind Pact was signed? The answer is 1931. Number 20. Pandit Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar worked as the principal of? The answer is Sanskrit College. Number 21. English newspaper Friend of India was published from? Answer is Kolkata. In which place Azad Hind Fauj was organized in 1942? The answer is Singapore. Number 23. In which year Swami Vivekananda delivered Chicago lecture? Answer is 1893. Number 24. Bartoli Satyagraha of 1928 was led by? Vallabhbhai Patel. Number 25. Who was the president of Congress Party when India got freedom? The answer is J.B. Kripalani. 26. Who took prominent role to integrate princely states within India? The answer is Sardar Patel. Number 27. In which year Gandhiji was assassinated? The answer is 1948. 28. Ilbert Bill was introduced by the Viceroy named Lord Ripon. Number 29. In which year 14 major banks were nationalized in India? The answer is 1969. Number 30. In which year first Indian satellite Aryabhatta was launched? The answer is 1975. Number 31. In which year economic planning was introduced in India? The answer is 1951. Number 32. Who was the first woman president of Indian National Congress? The answer is Annie Besant. Number 33. Who was worked as the first Chief of Army Staff of India? The answer is Sri Rajendra Singh Ji Jadeja. Number 34. In which year Panchshil Agreement was signed between India and China? The answer is 1954. Number 35. Who was the first Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India? The answer is Harilal J. Kanaiya. Number 36. Who worked as the first Election Commissioner of India? The answer is Sukumar Sen. Number 37. In which year non-cooperation movement was started? The answer is 1920. 38. What percentage of total land area of the world is in India? Around. The answer is 2.4%. Number 39. What was the population of India at the time of independence in 1947? Around 34 crore. Number 40. Which state of India got the separate constitution? The answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Number 41. In which year Portuguese enclaves were handed over to the Indian authority? The answer is 1961. 42. Which state of India was first organized on the linguistic basis? The answer is Andhra Pradesh. 43. In which year metric system of weights and measures began in India? The answer is 1958. Number 44. Who formed Arya Samaj? The answer is Dayananda Saraswati. Number 45. Who was not associated with the formation of Swarajya Party? The answer is C.R. Das. 46. In which year the Congress session adopted resolution to have complete freedom of India? The answer is 1929. 47. Who was the founder of Anushilan Samiti of Bengal? The answer is Satish Chandra Bose. Number 48. Dawn Society was formed by? The answer is Satish Chandra Mukherjee. 49. Who introduced doctrine of lapse in British India? The answer is Lord Dalhousie. And number 50. Rabindranath refused to accept Knight Award after the incident of Jallianwala Bagh massacre.